na? Hey viewers, today we have Vishal Gala. He is a BMS graduate, a Mumbaikar, and currently studying in IBS Mumbai. So today he will be sharing his scoop with all of us. So hi Vishal, how are you?
Hi sir, I'm fine.
Great, great. So how is lockdown treating you?
Sir, it's very good opportunity to do stuffs, online lectures, courses, cooking.
Wow, great, great, great. So can you brief about your profile to the viewers?
Yes sir, sure. So I come from business family. So my dad is a sole proprietor. He has his own wholesaling and stationery business. My mom is a teacher. She is working with Balaji International. Talking about my graduation, as you have mentioned, I did my BMS, that is Bachelor in Management Studies, from Nagindas Khandwala College. Currently, I'm doing my post graduation from ICFA Business School, specialization in marketing. So during my graduation, I worked with Elite Tutorials, which is engaged in business, education business, basically. So I worked there for for a period of 1 year, working as a center coordinator for Malad West branch. I just completed my first year of MBA, and I did summer internship at SD Corporation Private Limited, which is a real estate firm, a joint venture of Shapurji Palanji and Dilip Thakkar Group. So talking about my hobbies and interest, I am a writer and an artist. I draw and paint. I'm a movie review blogger, and I'm also a co-author working with some publishing house. So that's it about myself.
Oh, great, great, great. So can you share the name of your profile on the social media name?
V underscore being human. Yes,
Okay.
I'm Salman Khan fan, so I write that.
Uh, okay, great, great, great. Acha, so talking about ICFI Business School, so
Yeah.
I mean, you have already completed 1 year at IBS College. So can you brief the viewers about the college? Because there are many students who get called from this college and they always have some or other questions in regards. So if you can share certain insights about the college, which only a student would be knowing about.
Yeah, sure. First I will talk about IBS faculties. IBS faculties are actually really very helpful. They are ready to help in every aspect of a career, whether it be summer internship or placement or any other business development thing. So they even guide you for the skills and the courses which we need to cultivate within ourselves. So my experience with faculty is very nice, but then again we have to approach them. This is the first basic step you need to take. Otherwise, they won't approach us. Talking about the study pattern is properly divided into theoretical knowledge, solving case studies, and presentations. So, live corporate examples, guest lecture helped us gain very great corporate knowledge. Then they always train us with mock GD, mock PI for placement and summer internship program. So, I will talk about the third and the most important factor which we all look for, that is placement. So I'm a marketing student and I know the inside out of the marketing placement. So maximum company visiting IBS faculty IBS campus are for marketing. So it's a great opportunity for marketing student in terms of placement, in terms of company profile, location. They can choose any of them. So let me talk about the strength of the college. So the student before taking admission, they are very frightened. Okay, 2,000 students are there. How we will compete? So I will let me tell you, the IBS has very great placement team. One more than 150 companies come visit our campus. So it's a great opportunity for us. And talking about competition, yes, competition is there in IIM also, in Wellinger also, in IBS also. We have to be ahead of competition. So that's it from my side.
Okay, great, great. So it's good that you have faculties from industries because it helps a
Yeah.
lot in learning from directly from the corporates. Okay, so let's go a bit in flashback and understand that you were doing your BMS and then you thought of doing an MBA. You started with your journey. You started with your preparation. You went through IBSAT and the other entrances. So, how was your experience? And please share about your experience in regards to group discussion and interview as well.
Okay, so talking about my preparation, there isn't any such difference between preparing for IBS or any other B schools. So my preparation was taking mock test, making formula notes. That is very important. then checking and analyzing the result and learning from that. And the most important fundamental or formula is practice, practice, and practice. Yeah, that's it. And for cracking GD, so I used to summarize the news article which I read. So from that, I can revise it before attending any GD session. And
Okay, great.
yeah, and mock GDs are the best way to crack GD.
And any of the questions that you remember that were asked in your personal interview?
Yeah. So they gave me a situation or a just like for example, sell me this bottle. So if you don't know how to sell a bottle, and I have mentioned I want to do MBA in marketing, then we have to be very creative while answering such kind of questions. And some basic question they ask is about yourself, strength, weakness, about your dream, and why MBA from this particular college. These are the basic questions which they generally ask. I also want to share that we have to read 3 or 4 novels before attending any interview. They do ask about the novel and the author name.
Okay, great, great, great. Okay, so you went to the prep and you got the final selection. You got your score for your GDPI, etc. Question, like there are so many campuses, other IBS campuses.
So I don't know about other IBS campuses, but I can surely speak about IBS Hyderabad and IBS Mumbai. So the only difference between both the campuses are IBS Hyderabad provide us with MBA degree certificate, and IBS Mumbai provide us with PGPM certificate. So the PGPM certificate is not valid outside India. I have personally chosen IBS Mumbai because of return on investment. So suppose if IBS Hyderabad is charging us 16 to 18 lakh fees, and the average package they give us is 8 to 10 lakhs. Obviously, they give us higher package if we are from top 10 or 25% student among the crowd of 2000. But for IBS Mumbai, the fees is 8 lakh rupees, and the average package is 6 to 7 lakh, which is pretty good. So here there is a win-win situation for less investment and a greater return on investment. So my
Correct.
personal choice was IBS Mumbai.
Right. So maybe if someone does not want to go abroad, does not want to settle abroad, can definitely
Exactly.
settle with PGPM.
Exactly.
And I guess the corporates also know about IBS Mumbai being a college which provides PGPM. So there shouldn't be any issue in corporates as well.
Yeah.
Okay, great, great, great. So let's talk about your skills, Vishal. Like you have completed 1 year. So what changes do you see in yourself before an MBA? That is, you were just a graduate, and now after doing first year of MBA.
So to be honest, before joining IBS, I was a bit lazy and more disorganized person. But IBS taught me to manage everything by myself. That is attending lectures on time, submissions, studying while traveling, making PPTs while traveling in bus, and to excel in exam and soft skills also. So IBS helped me to cultivate such a habit of stress and time management. So I also started maintaining a diary to note down the points, a plan for a day, and then check I have achieved that plan or not. So that's a great habit which I have cultivated.
Okay, nice, nice, nice. Okay, that's it from my side. Last but not least, is there any pro tip that you want to share with MBA aspirants in regards to prep, in regards to GDPR, or in regards with IBS? Anything that you feel should be
Yeah.
shared?
So in regards with IBS, I want to share that IBS will give you a platform. IBS is very great platform to showcase your skills, your talent, your personal skills, your interpersonal skills. So as I mentioned earlier, I write movie reviews. I also used to write shairis, but IBS gave me platform to showcase my writing skills. So I started participating in college events, in Independence Day, Teachers Day. So now I am the head of Writers Club. So if you go with the flow and work hard, showcase your talent, then IBS is a great platform to study with.
Okay, nice, nice. Okay, thank you so much, Vishal. That's all from my side. We wish you luck for your future endeavors.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, bye bye.